fence problems hard to detect? Linnet Fence Tester is here to help. This tester, convenient box design, easy to store, black ABS casings, prevents excess light from interfering with readings, easy to hold. The highlight is its clip-on design, compared with traditional hook or probe types. It makes closer contact with the fence wiring, delivers more accurate measures, and requires no need to approach the fence. Insert a 9-volt battery. Place the probe into the ground. Clip the clamp onto the fence wire, and the backlit display will instantly show clear readings. The MLD004CL is an ideal companion for nighttime work. Its LED LCD screen provides clear readings even in complete darkness, making nighttime fence maintenance much easier. With a measuring range of 0.2 to 9.9 kilovolts, wider than conventional products, it helps you quickly and accurately locate fence faults, making maintenance more efficient.